Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Bullish Chilliz CHZ cost forecasts ranged somewhere in the range of $0.5080 $2,857 and $1.10 by 2030. Market examiners accept CHZ could reach $0.453 $333 by 2025. Negative Chilliz market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.103 and $619. Chilliz CHZ presentation. Chilliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered an exclusive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to control its fan commitment stage, Socios.com. Chilliz has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the organizer and chief of Chilliz. He has north of 20 years of involvement establishing and developing online organizations. Before sending off Chilliz, he established WebCity, an intuitive travel guide, and Winamax and Chillapoker, both internet-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business visionary who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to disturb the conventional games industry. Since its send-off, Socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a portable application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy restrictive product and encounters from their number one clubs through Socios.com's internet business store. What is Chilliz CHZ? The Chilliz stage was made determined to give fans a better approach to draw in with their #1 games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices, and furthermore offers compensations for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socio stage is right now utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to take part in the administration of their #1 group. It likewise offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chilliz is as of now worth $29 544 est. CHZ has moved 1000% as of now with an exchanging volume of $164 878 402. Chilliz is as of now positioned 77 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,373 331 742 est, using the overall strength record RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference MACD from the outline above. We can decide cost designs for Chilliz CHZ to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Chilliz CHZ market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Chilliz CHZ Value Forecast 2023. Chilliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year's CHZ. The CHZ cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $194 316. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $281 361 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of $155 452. Chilliz CHZ Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Chilliz CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform $2030 859. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the CHZ's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $59,087 and a typical exchanging cost of $80.4996. Chilliz CHZ Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $4 to 53D403 and CHZ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $14.540 and a low of $88.631 in 2025. Chilliz CHZ Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Chilliz effectively supports market feeling among digital money fans, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $5 at 80.29 and 47, with a base cost of $5 18.75 and a typical cost of $5 and 40 and 84. Chilliz CHZ Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $670.3627 by 2027, with a base cost of $640.719 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CHZ has a greatest value worth of $712.490. Chilliz CHZ Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $3.71. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $2.40-2034. Neglecting to accumulate the help CHZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $770.72 and 62. Chilliz CHZ Value Forecast 2029. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $968.06 and a yearly cost close above $971.85 and 78 in 2029. Chilliz CHZ Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Chilliz will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.04 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.10, averaging out at $1.06. Chilliz CHZ Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme CHZ cost in 2031 is projected to be $1.16.